Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic, the best platforms to sell digital products. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just looking to turn your digital content into cash, this video's for you. But first, let's define what a digital product actually is. Digital products are intangible products that you can create once and sell over and over again online. Think of things like Canva templates, online courses, music, digital art, ebooks, and even virtual software. The beauty of digital products is that once they're made, you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Pretty sweet, right? Alright, let's talk about some great free platforms where you can sell your digital products without breaking the bank. The first one is PayHip. PayHip is a user-friendly e-commerce platform designed for creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses to easily sell digital products, memberships, and physical goods. Whether you're selling ebooks, online courses, software, or subscriptions, PayHip offers a seamless solution with features like instant downloads, secure payments, and global reach. Envato. Envato is a popular marketplace for digital assets like themes, templates, graphics, audio, and videos. After signing up, you can upload your products, which will go through a review process to ensure they meet quality standards. Once approved, your items will be listed for sale, and you'll earn a commission on every purchase. It's a great platform for creative professionals to reach a global audience and monetize their digital creations. Selfie. Selfie is a platform that allows creators to sell digital products, physical goods, and subscriptions. Once registered, upload your products, set pricing, and customize your storefront with branding options. Selfie provides built-in marketing tools like email campaigns, discount codes, and upselling features. It's an excellent option for creators seeking a simple, all-in-one platform to manage and grow their sales. Shopify. Start by signing up for a Shopify account, choosing a plan, and customizing your store with their themes and apps. Add your products, set up payment gateways, and configure shipping options. Once your store is live, you can sell digital or physical products, services, or subscriptions. Shopify provides marketing tools, analytics, and integrations to help you grow your business. It's an all-in-one solution for setting up and running your online store. Hope this video helped you decide where to sell your digital goods. Like and subscribe for more tips, and comment below with questions or your favorite platform. See you next time.